Introducing the Fuel Additive Doser Tank from Clean Air Fleet Incorporated, designed for over-the-road trucks that want to improve the safety and convenience of using their preferred fuel additive. The doser tank systems were featured at the 2017 Louisville Truck Show in the Mid-America Daily. The Fuel Additive Doser Tank allows for conveniently measuring and dispensing fuel additive, provides safer storage outside of the cab, and allows for easier treatment, resulting in better driver convenience and safety. The process simplifies and removes the calculation from the additive dosing process. The doser tank is a solution to the challenges of using small additive bottles, which include difficult to measure accurately, splashing product on the tank, contact with chemicals, storing partial bottles inside the cab, price in small containers, limited selection on the shelves, and time spent measuring and adding. Due to the challenges with the distribution of additives from small containers, we have developed a simple solution to maximize the benefits from your fuel additive. The dosing process takes approximately 10 to 20 seconds total. At each refuel, the driver notes the total number of gallons of fuel that have been added to the fuel tank, then simply opens and closes a valve to match the number of gallons of fuel treated, without any mess, spilling, waste, or guessing. This saves time dosing both tanks at once, improves accuracy, and maximizes the return on investment. Doser tanks are available in plastic or aluminum, with powder coat colors available. The Fuel Additive Doser Tank simplifies the entire distribution and dosing process, eliminating the need for a calculator, gloves, or a funnel to treat your fuel. Now we will perform a step-by-step installation of the Clean Air Fleet Fuel Additive Doser Tank. Start by selecting a mounting location. Choose an area around eye level within easy reach for the driver to operate. Then choose single or dual fuel tanks, depending on the truck or desired application. Check the mounting area to avoid hoses, vents, or other obstructions on the cab. Then, hold the tank in place and mark the holes for the mounting area. Next, drill pilot holes with a smaller drill bit at first. Then, drill the holes out with a 25/64 inch bit. Next, insert threaded rivets securely into each mounting hole. A threaded rivet tool can be found at any hardware or tool store. Now we're ready to mount the tank into place using bolts coated with blue thread locker. Next, tighten bolts with a 3/16 hex head socket. Then, connect Teflon tubing to the tank with a hose clamp. Next, remove the tank vent from the selected fuel tank and install the T-fitting facing toward the back of the truck. Then install the tank vent into the top end of the T-fitting and tighten both the tank vent and T-fitting into place. Now connect the tubing to the T-fitting and secure the hose clamp. Make sure to route tubing away from moving parts and exhaust. Now fill the doser tank with additive. Never fill above the maximum 95% capacity. Now we will go through operating the doser tank by dosing for 150 gallons of fuel. We start at the 450 mark and watch the level go down, dosing additive for 150 gallons of fuel. The label is calibrated in gallons of fuel treated. Then stop the flow when the level hits the 300 mark. Next, we will dose for 200 gallons of fuel. We start at the 950 mark, dosing additive for 200 gallons of fuel. Then stop the flow when the level hits the 750 mark. Here is a close-up starting at 950, dosing additive for 200 gallons of fuel. Then stopping at the 750 mark. Thank you for watching the Doser Tank video. Visit us at cleanairfleet.com to learn more, or contact your authorized dealer.